Okay, now let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you some questions and you're going to answer. All right, just relax, calm down, smile. Good. Do you go for a walk?
Yes, I like walk because because walk is very
Good for health?
good for health, and exercise items include uh,
Okay,
walk
where
is
do you go for a walk?
I'm going for walk outside my house, near my house uh, near a ground.
There is a beautiful ground or
There's a
playground.
beautiful playground. There's children's were play there, and some peoples are walk.
Okay, do you prefer to go for morning walk or evening walk?
I prefer morning walk, but I have time to evening walk. Therefore, I am go to walk for
I go
evening
for a walk in the evening.
in the
Okay,
evening.
do you go for a walk alone or with your family?
Sometime I walk for alone, sometimes with my family because I live alone. Therefore,
Okay, that's good. Grammar, and some of your answers are short. Try to elaborate more. Okay, they'll be good. Let's go on. Do you make plans every day?
Uh, yes, I do make plans every day. Before the day starts, I have a diary in which I write down the points of what I have to do the next day. And in this way, I organize my day, and the day spent in a more fruitful way. So,
Okay, that's good. So, in the end, conclude your answer and try to focus fluency a little more. Let's go on. Are you good at managing your time?
yes, I think that I'm good at managing my time. I try to complete my task in a timely manner, uh, be it my work or completing cooking or looking after the child. So, time is very important, and
Okay, what is the latest plan that you have made?
the latest plan for me now is to get good marks in IELTS and to fulfill my dream to go abroad to get my dental license and to move my family in another
Okay,
country.
again the same thing
Yeah.
to try to avoid that
Okay.
and make proper subject, verb, and object sentences. Overall good, fluency, and then sentence structure. Because when you start this two thing, then you make all the sentences with two. So try to make 2 to 3 phrases you can join together. Then you can say, I'm also looking for something for my family, so I would like to move my family to a foreign something like that. Okay, proper sentence structure will do. Good job, overall fine. Let's go on. What is your favorite festival?
I could remember I went to the festival nearest to my home, and that was related to different shops. And
The topic is, what is your favorite festival?
festival,
Festival is something like, we've got Eid festival, flower
flower.
festival,
Okay,
spring festival,
sorry,
food festival.
food festival. Okay,
Yeah.
fine. Yeah, I went go over there,
Listen,
and
question
I
is in present. What is your favorite festival?
got it.
My favorite, yeah.
I go over there nearest to my home, and I see the lot of shops related to different cuisines, and I eat
Where is festival?
in Fortress.
All right. So your answer is a bit confusing answer,
Sorry.
right? You need to talk about it clearly. For example, what is your favorite festival? I love food festival very much. Every year, very close to my house, there is that Fortress Stadium, and this festival is held over there, and it continues for 30 days. Especially in winter, we have this festival, so I really enjoy. So to answer your question, food festival is the one I like the most. That's it.
That's it.
Okay, then answer other, and you know what you are doing? You are elaborating without clearly giving the answer. For example, if I say it has 4 legs and it is very dangerous sometimes, you don't know what I'm talking about, right? So this
Got
should
it.
be subject first.
Okay,
Now
got it.
let's go on. What type of festivals do children like?
Mostly children, in fact, love the festival where they can enjoy themselves. For instance, my both nephew and niece, and they are super excited to go such a festivals where they can find the lot of things for their playing and for they fulfilling their eating purposes. So. Always people love actually to go with their such a festivals appealed a lot.
Okay, do you prefer to enjoy the festivals with your family or friends?
Well, it depends upon my mood. Sometime I want to hang out with my friends, so I prefer to go with my friends over there. But most of the time, I find some free time for my family, and I enjoyed a lot. Especially, I enjoyed to go to the different festivals with my elder sister. Because the one reason is that she has the money and she can pay all the bills, so that's
Okay.
why.
That's good. Overall, your language is good, but when it comes to organizing your answer, there you get confused.
Yeah.
Sometimes your answer starts with something which is unclear, sometimes it becomes irrelevant. So I advise
Got
you
it.
to follow 3 steps. Answer the question directly, elaborate your answer, and then conclude your
Okay,
answer.
got it.
Okay? Good job.
Thank you.
Let's go on. Next one, please. Okay, let's make a start. Do you like to look at the sky?
Yes, I often like to watch skies, especially the birds. They are flying. They give a feel. They give a feel of. Uh, um,
Okay, when you get stuck, change your idea. Right? They give a natural feeling.
okay,
So, yeah.
they are very. They give you calm feeling. Often.
Sometimes birds can give you a white feeling also. Then you clean it with tissue paper. So, yeah, you love to see the birds. Let's go on. Do you like to look at the stars?
Yes, I like to stairs in the evening where they are shining bright. They give different thoughts. Maybe I am like a star, and one day maybe I'm the same that shine like this. Yes, I like to stairs in the
Okay.
evening.
Which is a good place to see the stars?
I guess your home rooftop, they are the best place with a cup of tea or with little music, and I guess this is the
Okay,
best
so you need to talk
place.
about stars also. Like you can see the stars from there. When
Yes.
at night sky is clear, you can see many stars which are twinkling around, something like that, okay? And give full answer. Try to practice these topics. Now, this topic is pretty unusual. You don't expect it. Sky. Okay, so there can be any topic like that in actual exam. Okay, one more question. How often do you look at the sky?
When weather is changing, sometime weather is very hot, then we see this skies and the environment surrounding our and feel the temperature and how much time need to change, and sometime in winters they are not clearly seen where the weather is.
Okay, so practice all these topics and your answer must be clear to the point. In part 1, never give any indirect answer, irrelevant answer. Start your answer from the question, add 2 to 3 sentences and conclude your answer. Okay, so it's just like start your answer, 2 to 3 sentences and conclude your answer. That's it. Okay, good job. Next
Thank
one,
you.
please. What type of places do you think are often crowded? Now you're thinking crowded. Acha. All right. Come on, shopping malls are crowded, airports are crowded, hospitals are crowded. We are very lucky everywhere it is crowded because we have very huge population. So come on. What type of places do you think are often crowded?
Um, uh,
s- समझ नहीं आ रहा start कैसे करूं?
Okay. Shopping malls are very crowded, especially on the weekend. Every shopping mall is full of people. On the other hand, something, come on.
Shopping malls are very crowded on special events. When I
Okay, when was the last time you were in a crowded place?
recently I go yesterday to
Recently, I go yesterday. What's wrong with this sentence? I went.
sorry.
Okay? Yeah. So,
I go yesterday to do for some shopping. My
okay, how do you feel when you are in a crowded place?
I feel very uncomfortable when I because I feel. समझ नहीं आ रहा मैं
Okay.
क्या
Oh my god, you should do your sadka khairat, okay? And you should have some sort of taweez as well for IELTS, okay? Yeah. Find someone who can help you with that. Okay, thank you.